In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to replace your engine's timing belt and water pump. In this step, procedure for removing some of the underhood components that need to be taken out of the way to gain access to your timing belt. On this particular vehicle, we have the timing belt's pretty snug up to the inner fender well. So we're going to try and loosen up as much of this air conditioning stuff that we can so we can get the play and the flexibility that we need to do the job. We're also going to remove the radiator overflow jug. A 10 millimeter socket on my 1/4 inch ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and run the bolt out. All right, you want to set that in your magnetic tray. I'm going to go ahead and loosen up this AC bracket as well, just so we can get this stuff up and over onto the valve cover to get access into the timing belt cover. All right, we're also going to unhook this ground wire here. All right, once you have the bolts out of that stuff, you can go ahead and your overflow jug is going to have a tube that runs to another portion of the cooling system. We're going to take our screwdriver and loosen this hose clamp up and slip this tube off.
Okay.
All right, once you have the hose off, you can take and wiggle your overflow jug out of position. That is the proper service procedure for breaking loose your air conditioning lines and removal of your overflow jug.